just finished our charge.
What do you guys want for dinner? I mean, for lunch.
Nawala sila Jacob kasi kami naghanap sa car.
You guys want Olive Garden? Or Noshi?
Noshi!
Olive Garden?
Noshi na lang, babe. So we are going to Noshi. Nagagalit si Cameron kasi gusto niya Italian food. Ako naman Japanese food. Ang linis talaga ng ang LA. Nandito na kami sa Noshi Sushi. Isa rin to sa favorite namin na Japanese restaurant. Inumin natin yung miso soup.
Try some edamame.
Sarap.
Try.
Rama.
Want to try one? Just one edamame bean.
With the mommy.
It's healthy. It's good for you.
Yeah. Ang sarap.
Very good for you.
We have tempura, shrimp, Cameron Jacob having steak. Sarap ng salad. I'm gonna eat it. And I got super shirashi. Alam nyo na, kilala nyo na yan Kilala nyo na yan That's in a roll. Gumawa tayo ng sausawan. Yung shirashi kasi lahat ng halos lahat ng seafoods nandyan. Yan mo yung yan siya. Tapos may rice sa sa baba. Yan yung shirashi. So let's eat. Oops. That's the sea urchin. Wasabi.
To be honest, bananas taste good and
The octopus. Ito yung itlog ng isda. Ito, ang sarap din ito. Ito yung roll. So we're just finished.
no.
Meron kasing libreng mga candies or chocolates after na kumain ka. Let's go! Bagay pala sa akin yung short hair.